Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open the Settings app on your iPhone 15 and stay on the main list. Scroll down until you see Accessibility and tap it to open. Inside Accessibility, you will find many options for vision and display. Look for Display and Text Size and tap to enter that submenu. These steps lead you to the Adaptive Brightness control, so you can change automatic screen adjustments. Follow the next steps to toggle auto brightness off safely, and test the result in varied lighting. In Display and Text Size, find Auto Brightness and toggle it to off. The switch appears near Contrast and Text Size controls within the same menu. Turning Auto Brightness off stops automatic adjustments based on ambient light sensors. After disabling, use the Control Center Brightness slider to set screen brightness manually. This lets you keep consistent display levels in all lighting situations. Remember that manual brightness settings may use more battery in bright environments than adaptive settings. Confirm auto brightness is off and test in bright and dim lighting to ensure the change worked. If the screen still shifts color, return to Settings, open Display and Brightness, and consider turning off True Tone. Turning off True Tone prevents automatic color temperature changes based on ambient light. If the device does not apply your changes, reboot the iPhone 15 to refresh system sensors and settings. You can also adjust night shift schedule if you want warmer tones at night, without automatic brightness control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.